When I was a kid, I used to love looking at Animal Planets and animal documentaries. At university, I remember spending so much time with friends looking at those, wanting to observe nature, wanting to observe life happen in front of us. And that's one of the things I love most about Costa Rica is that in my back garden, this is what I see from the terrace. You can see here my little terrace, the hammocks, my plants, and on the tree just in front, these monkeys. Now, there's one more thing I want to share with you about these monkeys is how much I love seeing these monkeys while I'm coaching clients. So, when I work with an executive, an entrepreneur, an artist or creator of kind, and they've got big problems. They've got things that don't work out. They've got anger, frustration, sadness. And then, in the background, behind the computer, I see two monkeys jump around, lay down in a tree. And it reminds me about how important all our problems are. About the fact that these monkeys can't care less about whether you have enough money to pay your bills, about whether you're going to make this amazing successful company, whether you're going to find the love you want. And so what I love about these monkeys is that they keep reminding me every single time about how unimportant any other worries I have are. That's why I still love watching the monkeys, still not getting bored of them. I can't believe that just a year and a half ago, I would wake up to the sound of cars, and all I would see from my window is cars, buses, and traffic.